Hello, students. I am Dr. Matthew E. Edwards, and I will be your instructor for this course, Physical Science 101. I want to welcome you to this class, and I'm going to, right at the beginning, wish you to have great success in this course. Now, this course is going to be what we call a traditional hybrid course, and that means that half of the class will be taught online through Blackboard, and the other half would be face-to-face. So for this course, on Blackboard on Thursday, and you will come to class in VM Chamber Hall on Tuesday. Now, so since this class is traditional hybrid, you need to be somewhat disciplined to make sure that you're going to handle all of the online portion and that you're going to dutifully come to class on Tuesday. Now, so you first thing to do after you watch this presentation, this introductory presentation, is to either read the syllabus or listen to the voicemail presentation of the syllabus. And then you need to log in to Blackboard at least twice a week so that you can stay abreast with all the activities that will be going on. Also, check the due date for examinations, check the due dates for homework, and make sure that you adhere to all of the necessary due dates. If you want to know more about me, feel free to do so. You can log in to www.aamu.edu, go to the physics department, click on my name, Matthew Edwards, Dr. Matthew Edwards, and it will show all the information about me. So once again, it's a traditional hybrid. I will see you at least once a week, and I want you to at least log into Blackboard at least twice a week so that you can find out all the activities that we will be doing. I wish you good luck in this course, and I look forward to staying in contact with you. You can contact me on my email or you can call me on my phone numbers, and they are both listed here in Blackboard. Okay, bye-bye. I look forward to staying in touch with you, and once again, I wish you to have great success in this course. Have a good day.